Hello, hi guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to project a plane when that plane is inclined to both HP and VP. So first, you need to enter units, limits, zoom, all. So after doing all these steps, so this is our given question. A pentagonal line, plane of side 30 mm has an edge on the HP. Its surface is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to the HP, and the edge on which the plane is rest is inclined at 35 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So first draw a reference line called XY. Specify first point, second point, and escape. Now I'm giving this as X and Y. Okay, it has given that the pentagonal plane of side 30 mm has an edge on the HP. So edge on the HP means, so for pentagon we are having 5 edges. In that, one of its edge is on resting on HP. Means on the top view we are able to see the complete true shape of the object on the top from the top view. So top view means you have to draw the projection on HP. The projection of the top view will use on HP, will appear on HP. So HP means below the XY line. So we have to construct a regular polygon below that of XY line. So how to draw a polygon means we are having one option, that polygon or POL, enter polygon. It is asking number of sides for the for polygon. So you want to draw pentagon means it is having 5 number of sides. Then enter 5, enter, specify center of the polygon. So in the question it has given that edge has given, so that's why I'm clicking on edge. I'm selecting edge. Specify first endpoint. I'm clicking over here. This is the first point. Next, what is the second point means, so he has given 30 mm. So 30, enter, 30 mm, enter. Okay, 30 mm, and after that you need to indicate all the points. All the points, go to text, single text, and click specify start or justify left. Change that to change setting options. And next, specify start point of the text. So here you want to indicate a point A. Height I want to give 3. Then enter. Text rotation angle should always 0. Enter. Now A is for top view. Since it is top view, it is B, it is C, it is D, and E. Enter, escape. Next, so this is our top view. I want to project all the points in order to get the front view. Projection means, projectors means which are perpendicular to XY line. I'm going to take a line command, and from all the points, FI ortho should be on. Ortho should be on. So this is our point. Escape. Next, from this point, draw a straight line. Escape. Now from D, draw same line. So in front view, you are able to see a straight line between these 2 points. That's why I'm drawing L, enter. I'm drawing one more line. Compulsory you need to draw this line because it is front view. Okay, front view. Then escape. Now give the points. So when you are seeing from the front, you are able to see these 3 points, B, C, D. So remaining these 2 points are invisible to you. So whatever you are observing, that should be indicated with normally, indicated normally. Justify left, and starting point of the point here, rotation angle 0, then it is b dash. I'm giving this as b dash since it is front view. In bracket you have to write a dash, a dash, because it is not visible to you. Next, c is visible to you. In bracket you have to write e dash, e dash. Next, this is d dash, d dash. Enter, escape. Now I want to rotate this line, this front view line, at an angle of 45. So wherever these projection lines are intersecting with this xy line, I want to locate with a point. So PO is the command. Go to utilities, point style, change this as 3, set absolute coordinates. Okay, wherever you want, click over there. 3 points. Now I want to rotate this. I want to rotate this front view line at an angle of 45 degrees. So for that I'm using copy command, copy, enter, select the line first. After entering the copy command, it is asking that select the object, then select this line, this point, point, D dash, C dash, B dash, and also this point. Then enter, specify base point. This is the base point. Click over there. Then move that. Escape. So it is not intersected with the XY line. So what I am doing is move. I am moving. Enter, base point. Now I want to rotate this line at an angle of 45 degrees. I'm using RO command, rotate, RO, rotate. Then select these many objects, this point, point, D dash, C dash, and enter. Select rotate, rotate to specify base point. This is our base point. About this point you have to rotate. Then what is the angle? Include angle 45 degrees. Enter. So you got the line. After doing this, you have to project this line in order to get the second top view. L, enter. Draw the perpendicular line up to this. Escape, space. From this you have to draw the perpendicular line. Escape. Now from these points, from this first top view, you need to draw the horizontal lines. So this is E, where the E dash point line. So wherever it cuts with E dash, stop drawing. Now this is our E1. Next A, and where is A dash? Here it is A1. Next D, D1. Next next B1, next C and C1. Now mark out the points wherever these lines are intersecting. Accordingly, PO enter. So here E point and E dash line, these two are intersecting here. Locate a point. Here A line, here A dash line intersecting here. Locate a point. D and D dash, where these two are intersecting here. Locate a point. And B and B dash intersecting here. Locate a point. And C dash, here it is intersecting. Okay. Now join all the points in a sequence by using polyline. Polyline. Here you can find polyline. Use that option and join all those points. Centers of all the points. Centers of all points. Okay, this is second top view. Give the numbers. B1, A1. Go to text. Single text. Justify. Left. Click over here. Enter. Enter. A1. A1. B1. C1. D1. E1. Enter. And here indicate X and we'll do later. Okay. Now we have to rotate this second top view at an angle of 35 degrees. So what I'm doing is, so draw a 35 degrees inclined line. 35 degrees inclined line. I'll enter. So keep some distance. 35 degrees because he has given 35 degrees. Now copy this object. Copy. Enter. Select all the points including these points. A1, E1, D1, B1 point. Copy and enter. Enter. Specify base point. This is a base point, so I want to move from here to some distance. Locate exactly where the A point is intersecting with the 35 degrees line. So that is our point. Escape. Now I want to rotate this at an inclination of 35 degrees. So in CAD C, observe. So if you take a line from here, the angle between, if I am drawing a line, perpendicular line to this, the total angle, the include angle between these two lines is 90 degrees because these two are perpendicular to each other. So in CAD, the CAD will take counterclockwise angle. That means if you want to if you want to take the angle of 35 degrees, that will take 55 angle. So if you want to draw a 55 line, it will take, we want to give 35 degrees to the system. So now we want to incline this plane. We want to incline this plane to 35 degrees, means we have to give the angle as 55. Then only it will moves, it will rotates at an angle of 35 degrees. Now what I am doing is I am using rotate command, RO, enter, and selecting total object. Now enter, specify base point. This is my base. How to rotate about the A1. Now give the value as 55, enter. Right. Now I want to project all the points in order to get the final front view. So L, enter, draw a perpendicular line up to here, escape. From this point you have to draw the perpendicular line, escape. From this point draw the perpendicular line, escape. Next from C1 draw the perpendicular line. Okay, and from this front view draw the horizontal lines, escape, space, escape. So already we have a line on XY. So where this is a A1, where A dash is intersecting, A dash line and A1 line, where these two lines are intersecting, that is our final point. PO, enter. A1 A dash, it is intersecting here, look at A point. B1 B dash, intersecting here, second. C1 C dash, intersecting here, here. D1 D dash, intersecting here, and E1 E dash, intersecting here. Here it is point. Join all the points in sequence, we'll get the final, we'll get the final final front view. So by using line command or polyline, you can use any of these two. Polyline, join A with B, B with C, C with D, D with E, again return back to A. So this is our final view. Just click on this poly Pentagon, select. If you want to change the color, you have to indicate with a different color. Select all the points, go to properties, we'll have different colors. Similarly for this also do the same thing. By mistakenly I selected a projector. Use go to this option, escape. So select this again, choose white color, escape. So this is our final diagram when a plane is inclined to both HP and VP. Now I want to indicate this angle. Go to dimension. In that we are having different options. Go to angular, then select the objects in which we want to measure the angle, 35, right? Similarly, here also you can find out the angle between these two by clicking, selecting these two. And I want to indicate the base side of the regular polygon. Then, so that is a linear dimension. Go to linear, then select the first point, select the second point, then it is approximately 29.9. So like this way you have to do the projection of planes problem. I hope all will understood. So thank you very much.